In New York, we're people watchers, right? We're all wandering around throughout the course of our day in our own little silos. Just the idea that you can have people from such different backgrounds and they're living right next door in the same space. There's just something really miraculous about that. My background is in visual anthropology and filmmaking. What really inspired me to bring those two together is the idea of really finding other people's stories. I've lived in Brooklyn for 17 years now, and so over the course of that time, I've seen so many different neighborhoods really change. We wanted to get a chance to take a deep dive into this world of gentrification through Firescape. Firescape is an immersive, interactive mobile VR game where you witness the last moments of a murder in the apartments across the alley from you in Crown Heights. Through an app on your smartphone, you can access the world of Firescape. The barrier for entry is so much lower for mobile gaming. What was really important was to do a tremendous amount of research and trying to get as contemporary information as possible and figure out like what's going on particularly in Crown Heights, what's going on in Brooklyn, what's going on in New York. Because the experience is VR, it's a full 360, so it's not only like composing one shot, but it's composing the entire world around you. We were looking at firescapes, we were looking at architectural details, to ACs and windows. We decide from those visual references which ones to highlight as key elements, and then we pass those on to our art team who starts building it in the 3D world. Once it's built in the 3D world, then there's a huge iterative process. And what makes Inkstory so special is our collaboration. It becomes really rewarding when you can work with people that you really trust.
We need to create more depth in the light.
You take these little elements and you pick them from the world around you, but then when you put them all together, it doesn't always fit in the way that you wanted it to. You have to say, okay, let's look at this larger picture and what is it conveying as a greater piece. And I think not only does the story really shine because of that, but also you feel like you're all sort of honing your craft. It's a very exciting time for storytelling because you have the ability to represent new voices. And what I find so important and engaging about mobile gaming is the ability for these walls to sort of melt away and to create these deep narrative experiences.